In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to your Roblox settings. It's in the top right corner. Click on Settings and then move down to your age, and you do need to be 13 to actually use voice chat, so you're going to click on Verify My Age. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this screen that gives you a QR code to scan on your smartphone. Now, it's going to take you through the whole process of verifying your age, and I'm going to do that right now. So basically, you're going to get your valid ID and have it ready once you are going to verify your age. It's going to take you through the entire process super quickly. All you have to do is show your ID to the camera and it will verify it. Roblox has made this process super easy, and it's very, very easy to actually use. Now, you're going to take a photo on the website, and once you take the photo of your website, once you verify your ID, it's also going to ask you to verify yourself with a selfie video. And as you can see, my age is now verified. Once my age is verified, I'm going to then go to Privacy, and I'm going to reload the page. Once your age is verified, these beta features will pop up, and to enable it, all you have to do is click this. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.